1, 2, 3. I've been running from the pain, trying not to feel the same, but it's a shame that we miss again. See my confidence is shaking.
Waste heat boiler of generator set. The waste heat boiler of generator set is efficient heat exchange equipment for recovering the waste heat of the generator set. It used for gas generator set, oil, heavy oil generator set, and gas turbine generator set. The waste heat boiler's heat exchange efficiency is around 98%. It can increase 20 to 30% energy utilization rate. The shortest payback period of the boiler is 4 months. Its service life is more than 20 years.
And my heart is feeling vacant, so you try to fill it in. You said I could fix the broken in your heart.